Ah, oh, ah, ah. It's so hard. I didn't just stop now. What?
It's asking something to you.
What is asking? It's not tasty. Hi guys, today is 6th June 2025. It's Eid today. We are in Old Wakra Souq. There is fireworks today, so we came to see fireworks. Today is Eid, that's why there is fireworks. It's going to start at 8:30. It's almost 8:30, so we are going to run. There are so many people waiting there because it's almost going to start. Come, let's go wait there. It started! Wow! Wow! So beautiful! Wow! 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 It's so beautiful! Wow! So noisy! Let's go closer.
Okay.
Wow! Too many fireworks! Too many! So that was fireworks. So let's see what else to see here. Come on. See, there are camels. So many of them. 11 camels. But look at this camel. Look at this camel. What?
It's asking something to you.
What is asking?
I don't know. Ask him.
What do you want? No, what do you want? There's a baby camel over there. Look, in that cage. Big tree here. Oh, a big tree is making me sad because I never reached there. I am a baby. I am a teenager. I'm an adult. Oh. See, there's a park over there. Let's go over there and have fun. My shoes are so saggy. I wish there's a way like going like so easy. I wish like that. I wish like that. I wish like that. I wish like that. Yes! Papa, so stop it. Mama also swinging. Guys, the swing is too far. But I was going like, yeah. But my father stopped me finally. Let's see something else that we can go. Come on. Guys, there is horse riding, but I don't know we can go on that or not. But let's see. It's a pony. Guys, I got the ticket. Now I can ride the pony. Yay! Let's go.
गेट बंद करना भैया ओल्ड
I'm gonna ride the pony. That horse riding was too funny, and it was going like da 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 da. But it's so cute. I even touched it. So cute. Now let's go see somewhere else where to play. Come on. There are dinosaurs over there. See? Up for baby kids. It has a falcon. It has big eye and white stain like statues. Eyes are closed, but it can understand that we are touching it. Now me and Tata is going to ride the camel. See, we got tickets. One for my sister, one for my me. Let's go.
टाइट पकड़ो है स्ट्रॉन्ग
It's so hard. I didn't stop now. Stop it. I hate it. Ew, that's hair on my mouth. Nah. Nah. What? There's hair on my mouth. I need to stop it. Nah. Nah. Oh. Ah! Oh. That was too fun but scary. When the camel was going down, I almost fell. But finally, I did it. Now we are going to Old Wakra. Come on, let's go. There are so many restaurants in both sides. Maybe we can buy something or watch. Guys, see, there's a boat. Balloons. Look, there are balloons. Water out there. There's gold souq out there and it's a shop. Maybe we can go over there, but I don't know. Maybe we can go. I think maybe maybe we can go. Okay. There are more balloons. Maybe we can buy one. I think we can buy. Look, they have light in it. See, a big ball. Guys, now we are so hungry. We are searching for a restaurant to eat some food. Guys, finally, we are waiting for the food. But when it will come now? So hungry. This is not tasty. Finally, guys, our food came, but look at this. It's so hot, but it's so long that you could not imagine. This much.
A few moments later.
Guys, we finished everything. Now I'm so full. What am I gonna do? See, everything finished. This one, in this there was like what? Yeah, bread, and here there was chicken with this sticks. My mother did this, and then we have that. This is home water. We bring it from home. Guys, so that was the end of Eid celebration. We watched fireworks, we ride the pony, we ride the camel, and at last we ate food. It was so yummy, but now my stomach is full. So that was Eid celebration. If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.